Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Kerala GSB Konkani dishes, and today I have come up with a drumstick curry where you add rice flour to the drumstick curry and prepare it. The addition of rice flour to this curry gives a different texture and taste. To the ingredients. You need 3 to 4 drumsticks, 2 tablespoons rice flour, unroasted is preferred, water as required and salt to taste. Or for seasoning you need oil, a small spoon mustard and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Peel, wash the drumsticks and cut them into 1-inch long pieces. A kadai for seasoning and add mustard seeds. Switch off the flame and add the chili powder, saute it for a second and add the drumsticks, salt and water to dip the drumsticks as shown in the photograph. Now switch on the flame, close and cook. Once it has cooked, you can see some water remaining in the curry. Do not evaporate it. Add rice flour powder to it and mix well. Cover and cook for 1 minute so that the raw flavor of the rice flour goes off. Stick pieces should be coated with rice flour. Your drumstick curry adding rice flour is ready to be served. Serve it hot because it tastes good when hot. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it. In this channel, I will be telling on Kerala GSB Konkani dishes. Keep watching my channel regularly.